Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 online digital business using simple TikToks. These TikToks are very easy to make and very easy to mass produce, and we're going to see if we can get sales making a TikTok channel and posting, because TikTok is the most lucrative social media out right now when it comes to trying to make money online. So we're going to test this with something super simple and see if we can get anything going. So the idea is, my whole thing is trying to make money in the easiest ways possible. So that's what I'm trying to see if this works. I don't know if it works, but I think it would. It will eventually. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go to our page here. First thing first, we need a quote. Now I like to go to Pinterest here and type in motivational quotes or something like that, something similar, and then just kind of scan down till I find something I like. Okay. Once you see results, it becomes an addiction. I like that. Alright, once you see results, it becomes an addition. But once you see results, let's pick space here. Space here. I like that. Let's go with this. That. Better spot, it looks a little better like that. Okay, so now let's pick a color. We're gonna change the words for results. I'm leaning towards red. Don't just do red. Yes. Alright, we got that done. Delete this track. So we got the quote done. So now we looking for a video here. I like looking in the beach. I think that's the best for this system here. I go to beach here, then I type in. Then I go make it vertical for the TikTok. I just scan down. I go with this. Ooh, I like this. Let's go with this one. So we'll go with this video here. Okay, it got volume to it, so we're just gonna cut the volume down off. Let's face the background. Real simple there. And we gonna brighten it up a little bit. Edit the video. Adjust beta here. Now all we want to do is just brighten it up a bit, make it a little bit more colorful. Saturation, bring up the saturation a little, and bring up the contrast. Make it look slightly better. It probably looks similar to you guys, but I think it looks slightly better. That's just something, you don't need to do that, but that's just something that I felt like doing right there at that moment. You know what I mean? So anyway, we're gonna find a song here. Let's go with beats. Alright guys, we're gonna turn down the volume here till I find a song real quick. It doesn't take me too long. Give me a minute here. Right. I'm gonna go with this one here. I was feeling this one, I wasn't sure though. So we're gonna go with that one. Very simple, got it. And all you gotta do is come over here, audio, put this back, click that. Sure its volume is on like this. But these be pretty loud. These can get pretty loud in Canva. I'm gonna turn my volume back up. Now I'm finna listen. Let's see what. Yeah. Hold on for a second, guys. I can't hear nothing. I don't know what just happened. Alright, do what we're gonna do. We're gonna delete. And we're gonna put it back in now. We're gonna change the volume back down here. I don't know what just happened, but the volume just went away. Okay, it worked that time. Alright, so I'll word there for a second. Anyway. Yeah, we just download that video there. Now, let's go to TikTok here and see our results. We got 59 followers so far. Let me refresh it. Okay, we got 59 followers, 338 likes. Not crazy. It kind of slowing down a little bit. As you can see in my videos here, my last 4 didn't really get that many views. The last one got 200, which is okay. Look, you can see it kind of slowing down a bit. Totally fine. We'll when it comes to TikTok, it'll just kind of happen. You know what I mean? I wonder if the music got anything to do with it. Maybe the songs I'm picking didn't work so well the last one. I don't know. Anyway, guys, with TikTok, it's kind of on a random thing. As long as you getting views, it's cool, and you can always get views. So we just gonna keep posting and just see what happens here. Now my schedule, let's look at this. Weekday, Wednesday, we're gonna post at 7 o'clock. Okay. So literally 7 o'clock. So we're just waiting for the TikTok to download, guys. And then we just put it in here and then we are done. That's all we're gonna post. There we go. Okay. All right. So, boom. And now it's uploading here. I'm trying to show you guys how simple this is. Pretty simple. You can just do this, real quick. Like, so easy to do, and it's your own original content as well, because you're changing everything around and stuff, and it's a original thing. You know what I mean? Anyway, and it's very simple to make. All you're doing is getting quotes. All right, so we're gonna schedule this, and we are done, guys. Now you want to follow along get into the $25 online business. The links are in the description below, so you can sign in right there, and then you can start making TikToks about it. Real simple motivational TikTok should work, especially motivation for success, something like that should work out pretty well. That's why I chose that. You can try it as well, see what happens. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.